Hey all, welcome back to Fire and Water Cooking. I'm Darren, of course, and today we're gonna do some more wings. We're gonna do some dry rub wings today. Last time I did just regular buffalo style with very little seasoning. But today we're gonna do dry rub. So pretty much all seasoning, no flour or anything, just deep fry them with our dry rub on. I'll be right back, show you what I'm gonna do.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, so dry rub wings are very similar to regular wings except for they're not battered at all. They're just pretty much seasoned and then deep fried. Usually you'll get them like with lemon pepper, sometimes they can be Cajun or jerk style, but pretty much no batter on them at all, just the seasoning, and then they're deep fried. Then you can dip them in whatever you want to. So what I did, you can use just regular lemon pepper or whatever you want, but what I did today, I took some of my black garlic and herb compound butter, mixed it with some lime peel and some lemon peel, a little bit more pepper, a little bit more kosher salt, and then that's what we're going to do. So kind of like a lemon pepper, but with a little bit of that black garlic and butter and other herbs in there. So that's what we're going to use for our dry rub. I got my oil heating up. It should be up to around 350 to 375 here just shortly, but we're going to use the same Costco party wings here. It's the other half of the pack that I bought. So it's going to be pretty simple, guys, because all you really do is you take them out of the pack, put them in the seasoning, put them in a deep fryer. So it's going to be a really short, simple cook. But like I said, you can use any seasoning you want. This is just easy for me. Use a little bit of my base for the black garlic and herb compound butter for the base. Add some more citrus to it, a little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt, and that's what we're going to do. All right, guys, I'll be back when I'm getting them out of the pack and putting them in the bowl. I'll be back. All right, guys, so like I said, I already got my seasoning all in the bowl, so you're pretty much just going to toss these wings in straight out of the pack. If they are a little too moist, you can knock some of that moisture off. We're just going to toss one of these little packs in one at a time here. Probably like about 8 or 9 wings in each one of these little packs. And what I did is I kind of stacked them up on the side there. We're going to take our little tool here, our little strainer, and just kind of toss these in. It's just easier for me to use this than to toss them and getting that seasoning all over the place. Just make sure you get them all seasoned up, get that seasoning on every bit of them. Because like I said, we're just going to toss these right in the fryer. My oil's getting right up to temp. You don't have to put these in any kind of buttermilk or anything like that. The moisture that was in there should be plenty to hold that seasoning on. We're just going to start dropping them in. Yeah, it's well hot enough. It's bubbling up really good. And like before, guys, make sure you drop these in as quick as you can because you want them all to cook at about the same time. You don't want to have them one being halfway done and the other one's done. That way they don't overcook or undercook. All right, got these going. I'll be right back. All right, guys, these are ready to come out. They're starting to float. Got that nice dark color there from the pepper and the black garlic. Nice and crispy. I'm going to take these out and let them cool off a little bit. We'll drop some more in. All right, I'm gonna drop some more in, but we'll be back when these are cooled so I can take a bite. All right, guys, here they are. Yeah, so yeah, this is my other little gas burner that I have out here. It's great for cooking outside, but it's also great when I want to do a demo right here at my table instead of having to drag you all over to the gas grill. These are almost done too. But this is a really great, it's called a GasOne. I'll leave a link to the gas grill down, or the gas burner down below. I've had this now for about 5 years. It works really good. So here are my wings, guys, and you can tell they are dry wings. They're the dry rub on there, and they're looking really good. Got the pepper, the lemon and the lime, and the black garlic and butter, or compound butter herb. It's going to make it perfect. We're going to do a little ranch this time with their dip. Clean bite. Perfectly cooked. Great seasoning, guys. The pepper is not overly peppery. You can taste the citrus in there. Take the taste of black garlic. Perfect. Try them out, guys. Dry rub wings. Pretty easy to cook. Pretty delicious. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Check out fireandwatertravel.com as well. But check out the Fire and Water Cooking Edible Creations below. You can pick up the black garlic and herb compound butter. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.